JDPP massive. Come down Tuesday morning. I want you to bring the bucket. We're gonna wet down the whole place. But before I can fill up my bucket, I want the realest. It's an avalanche. There is Malongo out of my bucket. Out of my bucket. Myron, I want you to pick up your bucket. There we go. From Carnival, we got plenty work to do. And guess what? We gonna break mass. Yeah, yeah. Say man, if they so hot, they like your mother's kitchen back. The people might not say they won't get soaking wet. With your bucket in your hand, they gonna wet down the soul and Jack and Jill and tell me so. Drive and pick your bucket up and there we go. The place is burning out. 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 Send the water, Jack and Jill come send the water, man, no waste no time. The people knock his head. They gonna wet down in the street, make them jump up to the feet. Jack and Jill and tell me so. Drive and pick your bucket up and there we go. The place is burning out. 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 Oh yes, lot of people. I want you to get ready. Coming down on the waterfront. I want you to dip your bucket down in the water. Fill it up to the rim. They say that Jack and Jill went up the hill to get Jack in the water. Jack fell and broke his strong and Jill gets up in the water. Jack and Jill went up the hill to get Jack in the water. Jack fell and broke his strong. Everybody, wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up. Oh boy, everybody wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up, wet up. Yeah, son, it's a bit hot. It's a bit hot. It's a bit hot. It's a bit hot. Hey, firefighters massive. I want you to come and wet down the people who come to dance in the hot, burning sun. The burning sun. Say man, I ain't a trust. I want the people.